Hello everyone, it's been so cold lately that I just remembered that I haven't been working on my snowman of the old masters in a while. So here it is, I'm working on a new one, and to start I took my sketchbook and I started sketching what it would look like as a snowman. And for this new painting I chose a Monet painting which is called Woman With Parasol, facing left. I think Monet painted a few of these with the woman facing in different directions, and I like this one in particular, so that's the one I chose. Once my sketch was done and I was happy with it, I traced it and I transferred it on my tiny little canvas that's about 2.5 by 3.5 inches. And usually what I do when I'm done transferring my sketches, I like to work on them a tiny little bit more, just to change a few things, add a few details if I can. So for this painting I'm using acrylic paint again, and since I have no idea how I'm going to go about doing it, I put all the colors that I thought I was going to use on a piece of palette paper. And I like to use palette paper when I use acrylic paint because it's less messy. You know, it's just, you just toss it once you're done and you don't have all the cleanup, because since the paint dries really fast, it's hard to clean on some palettes. If there's a big glob left, then it's easy to peel off, but if it's a very thin layer of it, then it's harder to clean. So that's why I like to use a paper palette. So I basically kept looking at the reference picture and tried to make the mixes that I saw, the colors that I saw on the painting, and tried to reproduce the brush strokes as well, which was pretty tough. But obviously I was not going for an exact reproduction of the original painting. I wanted to make something that looked like it and that had approximately the same colors. And I enjoyed it very much because I think you always learn something when you copy famous paintings from famous painters. So it was a bit tough doing the details on the snow woman this time because it was really tiny, but with a small brush I was able to accomplish what I wanted. And because I only need to give impressions rather than show realism, it makes it much easier to paint on a smaller surface because you don't need to add so many details. So if you like this series and you'd like to see me paint a particular painting with a snowman instead of the person in it, please, I'd love to hear your suggestions. Write your suggestions in the comments down below and I'll check out the paintings and see if I can paint it with a snowman. I guess this series could go on forever and ever, and I'm really enjoying it. I always have fun doing it and I'm very pleased usually with the results, and I always learn something. So I hope you like this little video and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.